directions. How hard can it be? The door sills themselves, and then some alcohol swabs to clean up the sills so that they stick properly. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another quick little, I guess I'll call it a mod. It's not much of a mod. It's more of an addition to the Gladiator back here. And I think everybody should do this, and they are door sill protectors. You know those little guards that you can put inside your door sill so that when people get in and out, hopefully, they're not scraping across your paint here. You can see mine don't have them either in the front or the back. So I got some genuine Mopar guards, and you guys can see right there is the part number. So if you're interested in these, there's the part number. That's what I'm going to install. So we're going to unbox these, clean up the door sills, and go ahead and put these things in. They are adhesive backed, so you just kind of push them down. These say Gladiator on them, and they're even labeled front left, front right. You can see right there. And then rear left and rear right. So I'm going to go ahead, clean up the door sills, and get these things put in. Okay, first I'm just going to wipe these down with a little bit of my soapy water concoction, just to make sure the surface is clean to start with. And then we'll use the alcohol swabs to finish cleaning the surface up so that we get good adhesion. Right? We want good adhesion. You'll notice how nice and shiny they look because they haven't been stepped on yet. Let's do the back. Okay, that's got them all clean. Now we'll get the alcohol swabs and do that little number. Well, they don't give you much in the way of alcohol, but I guess that's all you need, just a little square. There we go. Okay, kind of eyeballing them from the directions, which is about the best you can do. I think that's right about how they're going to fit. So we're going to go ahead, take the tape off, and stick it on there. Again, this just peels off. Can't beat that. Now, I'm sure this stuff is really, really sticky because the 3M stuff always is. So make sure you get it where you want it before you stick it. You know what I'm saying? And I think for me, about right there. So you're supposed to put pressure on that for like 5 minutes. That's crazy. But anyway, I'm going to put some pressure on it, then we'll come back and do the front. All right, the rear's done. We have our little less than adequate alcohol swab. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Okay, just kind of guess as to where to clean, I guess. That's done. Let's put it on. All right, we're going to put the front ones on, and I did discover something. They have a little arrow here, and that corresponds to this little notch right here in the door sill. And that little arrow is supposed to line up with the edge, the front edge of this little notch. So we're going to do this one that way, and I did get lucky in the back. I actually placed it where it was supposed to be. So I think we're golden there, but we're going to pay a little more attention this time. I actually did not see that before, so let's go ahead and see if we can't get this one placed the way they want it to be placed, which is about right like that. Right like that. Again, you're supposed to hold it down for some period of time. I'm going to hold it down for a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the driver's side. I'm not going to show you all that. It's the exact same thing. Then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, we're all done. Let's take a look. First of all, let me tell you on the Rob Motive difficulty meter, this would be a 1, maybe a 0.5. Definitely not a difficult mod. But let's take a look in the back. We'll look on the driver's side. You can see it's just a little applique, if you will, just to protect the sill, you know, from people getting in and out. Not much really there. Up here in the front, a little more substantial. It does say Gladiator on it. You guys can see there. Fit is perfect, application is simple, just like it should be, and I think it looks good too. Again, goes along with the black theme of the truck. Anyway, just wanted to get on here, show you guys really a pretty quick, simple little addition to the truck. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Are they worth it? I'd be curious to hear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other channel if you're into Tacomas and Tundras and stuff. It's Rob Motive. Thanks for watching. Bye.